Hello everyone. Let us continue the exercise 1.2 from the fourth question. The fourth question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So this is a given AP. In this AP, what is the number of this term? So which term of the AP is 78? We need to find. That is n value we should find. So the given AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on. So we know A value is 3. D value is A2 minus A1, that is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. And we need n value. We have to find that. Which term of the AP means that n value we need to find. And which term of the AP is 78 means this is nth term 78. We need to find the value of n. So the formula for nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an value is 78 is equal to a value is 3 plus n value we don't know, write as it is, n minus 1 into d is 5. So first let us remove the bracket. So n into 5 is 5n. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So 78 is equals to, first solve these terms. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5n. We need to find the value of n. So keep that one as it is. So 78 is equals to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5n. So we need n value, no? So send this minus 9, this minus 2 this side. It becomes plus 2. So 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. So 78 plus 2 is 80 is equals to 5n. We need to find the value of n. So n is equal to 80. This 5 comes this side, becomes division. It comes to the denominator. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 3. 5 6 are 30. So the n value is 16. Therefore 78 is 16th term. Therefore 78 is the 16th term of this AP. So we'll continue with the fifth sum. So fifth one is, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So first one is 7, 13, 19, so on 205. So we need to find the number of terms from 7 to 205. So first we need to write the values which we know. So A value is 7. So first term. Then D is common difference. A2 minus A1. So A2 is 13 minus A1 is 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Next, n value we need to find. Find the number of terms means n we need to find. So nth term is this one, 205. So let us write the nth term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So same like how we did the previous sum. So nth term is 205 and a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. So same thing, let us remove the bracket first. 6 into n is 6n, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6n. So send this plus 1 here, it becomes minus 1 is equals to 6n. So 205 minus 1 is 204. So 204 is equal to 6n. So we need to find the value of n. So n is equals to 204. This 6 comes to the denominator because it's in multiplication. 6 into n is 6n. So the 6 comes along with this 204. It comes to the division. So 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. So remainder 2 will be there. So that one we are writing here 24. So 6 fours are 24. So n value is 34. So this 205 is 34th term. So let us do the next one in this. So this is a given AP 18, 15, 1 by 2. It's a mixed fraction. 13, so on, minus 47. We need to find the number of terms. So A value is 18. D value, how to find? A2 minus A1. So what is the A2 value? 15, 1 by 2. Minus A1 value is 18. So you would have been studied in primary classes how to convert this mixed fraction into normal fraction. Multiply here and add here. 2 15s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31 divided by the same denominator. Minus 18. So we need to subtract this. So it does not have any denominator. Write 18 by 1. That is equals to, do cross multiplication from here. 1 into 31 is 31 minus 2 into 18 is 36 divided by 2. So 31 minus 36 is minus 5 by 2. So D value we got minus 5 by 2. And nth term is given minus 47. So we should find the n value. So to find this, we are writing nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an value is minus 47 is equal to a is 18 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 5 by 2. So let us remove the bracket first. Same thing, minus 47 is equal to 18, plus into minus is minus, n into 5 by 2 will be 5 by 2 n. Then minus into minus is plus, 1 into 5 by 2 is same 5 by 2. So now minus 47 is equals to this nth term, let us write first. Then you have 18 plus 5 by 2. So minus 47 is equal to minus 5 by 2 n. This 2 if you want to add, you have to write like this and cross multiplication. 2 18s are 36 plus 1 5s are 5 divided by 2. That is equals to minus 47 is equals to minus 5 by 2 n plus 36 plus 5 is 41 by 2. So you got this. Now this 41 by 2 will send this side. It becomes minus 41 by 2. That is minus 47 minus 41 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 n. So now this one we need to do. So I'll write like my one. Now do cross multiplication. 2 into 47 is 94 minus 1 into 41 is 44 divided by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 into n. Now minus 94 minus 41, how much? Minus into minus plus. So we need to add. So 135 minus 135 divided by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 n. So now here both the denominators are same. We have single terms, we can cancel that. And minus also get cancelled. So you have only 135 is equal to 5n. So you want n value. So n is equal to 135 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 3. 5 7s are 35. So n value is 27. So 27th term of this AP is minus 47. So n value is, number of terms are 27. So the total number of terms in this AP is 27. Okay, let us do 6th sum. So let us do the 6th one. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. So this is the given AP. In this AP, this minus 150 is a term or not, we need to find. So that we have to find the value of n. So A value is 11. D value is A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. And an value is minus 150 is a nth term. We need to find the value of n. If the value of n is a positive integer, then this term is present in this AP. If it is a negative or it's not an integer, then it's not an AP of this term of this AP. So the nth term formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an value is minus 150 is equal to a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 3. So same thing, minus 150 is equals to 11 plus into minus minus, n into 3 is minus 3n. That's what? 11 plus n into minus 3 is minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3. Minus 150 is equals to 11 plus 3 is 14 minus 3n. Now, minus 150, this plus 14 comes here, minus 14 is equals to minus 3n. Minus into minus plus, so if you add 164, bigger number sign minus, that is equals to minus 3n. Both the sides you have minus, a single term, so you can get cancelled. It can get cancelled. So 164 is equals to 3n. So n is equal to 164 divided by 3. So this is not possible. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, remainder 114. So this 164 by 3 is not divisible. This 164 is not divisible by 3. So it's not a positive integer. N value must always be a positive integer. So it's not an integer value, therefore minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Okay, let us do the next one, 7th sum. So the 7th sum is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we need to find the 31st term. But the given data is 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So 11th term A11 is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A16 is 73. We need to find 31st term. So this is the given data. So we already know that A1 is nothing but A. A2 is nothing but A plus D. A3 is A plus 2D. So A4 is what? A plus 3D. So A5 will be what? A plus 4D. So when you have 4 here, it will be A plus 4D. So then it's 9, it will be A plus 8D. So 1 minus of this will be here. So easily we can write that A11 is nothing but A plus 10D. A4 is A plus 3D. A5 is A plus 4D. So same way A11 is nothing but A plus 10D is equal to 38. And this is A16. 16th term we can write as A plus 15D is equal to 73. Instead of substituting in the formula and getting directly, we can write A11 means it's A plus 10D. A16 is nothing but A plus 15D. So you got two equations. So with these two equations, you can do an elimination method to find the value of A and D. So to do the elimination method, we need to change the signs of the second equation. So it is plus A, positive A, so we need to write as negative sign. So plus 15D means minus 15, plus 73 it becomes minus 73. Now this A minus A is 0, so it get cancelled. So 10 minus 15. This plus 15 has changed as minus 15. We need to consider this minus now. So 10 minus 15 is minus 5D is equal to, this 38 is plus. So plus into minus is minus. So 73 minus 38 is 35. And the bigger number 73, so that sign is minus. So minus 5D is equals to minus 35. So D is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5. So minus and minus get cancelled. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So we got D value, that common difference is 7. So when you get a common difference value, you need also first term. So when you want to find first term, so this D value you can substitute in the first or second equation, you will get A value. So I'll take first equation, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A value we need to find and we don't know the value of A. So write A as it is 10. D value is 7 is equal to 38. So we got D value. So I am substituting in the first equation, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into D value is 7 is equal to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 70 comes there, minus 70. So 38 minus 70 is minus 32. So the first term also we got. So the question is find the 31st term. That is A31st, we should find A31. So A31 is nothing but A plus 30D. Correct? So A value is minus 32 plus 30 into D value is 7. So when you want to find 31st term, we have to consider it as A plus 30D. If it is 11th term, A plus 10D. If it is 29th term, it is A plus 28D. Like that, the end value will be minus 1. So directly you can do. So now first we have to multiplication we have to do. So 30 into 7 is 210. So 3 sevens are 21, 0. So minus 32 plus 210. Minus into plus minus. So 210 minus 32 is 178 and the bigger number is also positive. So it is plus 178. So the 31st term is 178. So let us do the next sum, 8th one. 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms. So the number of terms in this AP is 50, of which third term is 12. In this AP, the third term is given, that is 12. And the last term is 106. So you have to find 39th term. So n value, the total number of terms are 50. N is 50. Okay. So third term is 12. So third term A3 is 12. Already I said A3 we can write as A plus 2D. that is equals to 12. So a3 we can write as, it can be written as a plus 2d is equal to 12. And the last term is 106. So the total number of terms are 50. So definitely the last term will be 50 terms. So this will be the 50th term because it's the last term. So there are only 50 terms. So the last term will be definitely 50th term. So it is A50. A50 is 106. So A50 can be written as A plus 50 minus 1 is 49D. That is nothing but 106. So we got these two equations and you have to find A29. That is A plus 28D you have to find later. So in these two equations, equation 1 and 2, when you have, you can do elimination method as we did. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. So to do the elimination method, we need to change the sign of the second equation, that is plus A minus, plus 49D becomes minus 49D and plus 106 becomes minus 106. So A minus A get cancelled because it's 0. 2 minus 49 is minus 47D is equal to 12 minus 106 will be minus, bigger number sign is minus, so minus 94. So we need to find D value, that is D is equals to minus 94 divided by this minus 47. Minus minus get cancel. 47 ones are, 47 twos are, so D value is 2. So after finding D value, we need to find the A value. So take first equation or second, anything. So I am taking the first equation, A plus 2D is equal to 12. Substitute this D value. So A plus 2 into D value is 2 is equal to 12. So A plus 2 twos are 4 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 plus 4 comes here minus 4. So A value is 8. The question is to find the 29th term. So A29 is equal to nothing but A plus 28D. So A value we know that is 8 plus 2 into, 28 into D is 2. That is equals to 8 plus 28 twos are 56. So 8 plus 56 is 64. So the 29th term is 64. 29th term is 64. Let us do the 9th sum. The 9th question is, if the third term and the 9th term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. So third term is 4 and the 9th term is minus 8 because third and 9th terms are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of an AP is 0? So which term of this AP is 0? We have to find out. Okay. So we know third term, that is A3 is 4 and we know that is 9th term is minus 8 and we should find which term is 0. That is n value. So which term of the AP will be, of this AP will be 0. Okay, A3 is nothing but I already told A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 3D, sorry A plus 2D, so on. So definitely A3 will be A plus 2D is equal to 4 and A9 is nothing but A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So to do this elimination method, we need to change the signs of the second equation. So plus A becomes minus A, plus 8D becomes minus 8D and minus 8 becomes plus 8. So A minus A get cancelled. 2 minus 8 is minus 6D is equal to plus into plus plus. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So D is equals to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So D is equals to plus into minus 2. So D value is minus 2. So to find A value, substitute this D value in any one of the equation. So let us take first equation, that is A plus 2D is equal to 4. So A plus 2 into D value is minus 2. Substitute here is equal to 4. So A plus into minus 2 twos are 4 is equal to 4. A is equals to 4. Minus 4 goes there plus 4. So A is equals to 4 plus 4 is 8. So we know D value and A value. We have to find the now n value, that is which term of the AP is 0. That is A n value is 0. So that for that we need to write an nth term formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. So A n is 0. The term is 0. A is 8 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2. So 0 is equals to 8. N into minus 2 is minus 2n. Minus into minus is plus 2. 1 2s are 2. So 0 is equals to 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n. 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n. So 0 plus 10 comes here, minus 10 is equals to minus 2n. 0 minus 10, it is minus 10 is equal to minus 2n. So n value will be what? Minus 2 goes this side, comes to denominator. That's 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Minus and minus get cancelled. So the n value is 5. So which term of the AP is 0 means fifth term of this AP is 0. Therefore, fifth term of this AP is 0. So let us do the 10th question. So the 10th one is the 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. So 17th term is exceeding the 10th term by 7. So find the common difference. We need to find only common difference, that is D value. So 17th term is A17. 17th term of an AP is equal to exceeds the 10th term by 7. So 10th term plus 7. It means the 17th term is exceeding the 10th term by 7. It means 17th term is equals to 10th term plus 7. So 10th term, if you add 7, you are getting 17th term. That is the meaning of this. Exceeds means the 10th term is exceeding by 7. So A17 we can write as A plus 16D. Correct? A10 we can write as A plus 9D. A plus 7. Same thing. So we know only this information. So I'll write A plus 16D is equal to plus A comes this side becomes minus A. I'm not writing is equal to A plus 16D is equals to A plus 9D plus 7. A plus 16D plus A comes here minus A plus 9D comes here minus 9D is equal to 7. I'll keep as it is there. So plus A minus A get cancelled. You have 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. So 16 minus 9 is 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 divided by 7. So 1 7s are 7, 1 7s are 7, 1. So D value is 1. The common difference is 1. A17 is A plus 16D is equal to A10 is A plus 9D plus 7. This plus A comes to left hand side, that becomes minus A plus 9D comes here minus 9D, because we have A terms and D terms, so that we can get cancelled or you can operate. That is why we are sending here the constant value. Let us keep there. So plus A minus A get cancelled. Plus 16D minus 9D is 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. So the common difference is 1. So let us do the 11th sum. So the 11th sum is, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 is the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So the given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. So with the help of this AP we can write down the data. This first term is 3 and the common difference is A2 minus A1, that is 20. 15 minus 3 is 12. And more than is 54th term. Okay, we know A value, D value. We need to find which term of the AP will be 132. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So which term of the AP is 132 more than the 54th term? This is what we need to find AN. So to find this, let us find out A54. That is, let us write the nth term formula first. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN, let it be A54. A value is 3 plus n value is 54. Because it's 54th term, so n value, n plus we have 54. So 1 minus 1 into D value is 12. That is equals to 3 plus 54 minus 3 is 53 into 12. So 53 into 12, if you multiply, you will get 636. So 3 plus 636 is 639. So the 54th term is 639. We know this. So we have to find the AN. AN is nothing but A54 plus 132. That telling. Because which term of the AP is 54 plus 132. So A54 is 639 plus 132 is 771. So the term 774. Which term of the AP is 771? Sorry, 771 we need to find. So write down the nth term formula. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is 777. See, we know 54th term. And this 54th term exceeding this term plus 132. So the term which exceeds 132 by 54 is 771. So the term which exceeds the 54th term by 132 is 771. So that an is 771 and a value is 3 plus n. That is what we need to find, n. So which term of the AP is 771? That is, which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, D value already we found out, that is 12. So substitute here. So 771 is equals to 3 plus n into 12 is 12n minus 1 into 12 is minus 12. 771 is equal to 3 minus 12 is minus 9 plus 12n. So 771 minus 9 comes here, plus 9 is equals to 12n. 771 plus 9 is 780 is equal to 12n. So n is equals to 780 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72, remainder 6, 72 remainder 6, 12 5s are 60. So n value is 65. So 64th term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So 54th term is 639 and 132 more than 54th term is 771. So 771 is nothing but 65th term. So let us continue the 12th and other problems in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.